Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
When removing the front panel, driver's side or passenger side, I like to start with the front speaker, top speaker here. I just take my trim tool, I'm gonna pop it in there. Raise my hands. And that's toss that aside by disconnecting the speaker. It's just a little push tab. Just push my fingernail into it, or you can use a speaker tool. Let's see where the tab is. Ah, there we go. Now we can both see it. Yeah, it's on this side. Or not. Where the heck is it? To start with, we're going to remove the main power switch here so that we can replace it. I use a plastic body tool. You just need to get down in between and twist it. It pops right up. Now that is exposed, you just disconnect these three connectors. They all have push tabs on them. So we're going to push down. This one looks broken, because it is. So I'm going to start here, pull that one out, pull this one out. Now I can see that better. I can use my plastic tool, push in. Yeah, someone broke that tab completely off. Let me get a small screwdriver. I like to use a pocket screwdriver flathead. If you have a small flathead, you can use that. So now we're going to move into the driver's interior door handle. And I use a little screwdriver and I pop this little window off. And you'll see a Phillips screw. I'm going to remove that. Normally there would be another screw right here in the door handle itself, but that came to us missing. So you would unscrew that. Third screw is down here in the door lens where the reflector bulb is. I'm just going to push that plastic out. And then there'll be a Phillips screw right about here. Now we're going to be ready to move the panel out with some little panel clips. You can use a body tool like this. Now I use my hand. Once I break that free, move my hand all the way around. So this particular model wanted me to slide that interior door cover out. See the ear lock slides in there and the tab in the back there. So all I did was once I had mounted that screw, you just pull it forward, slide that out of the way. Now we have another electrical connector for the door lock. Push down that tab, slide it out. Now the panel can come right up. Lift it up and out. With the panel exposed now, I can reach my hand down in here and I'm going to disconnect the main switch connectors. Push it on the tabs. Tab on this one's in the back. Cannot get to any of it. That one. Let me see if I can get my hand in better. There we go. Some of them are difficult. gonna get my body tool that has a angle on it. See if I can get it in the back here. Push up on the clip. There you go. Now we can set the panel aside. So to remove the driver's side door speaker or the passenger speaker in the front panel, once you have the panel off, the speaker is exposed, use 8mm socket and disconnect 4 mounting bolts. It's 2 on the top, 2 on the bottom. Once you have done that, you can disconnect the electrical connector. I'm just going to pry it out. It's got a little seal on it, a little foam seal. Now we have the speaker out of the way. We're just going to disconnect it by pushing on this tab, pulling it off. Always be careful with speakers. You never want to puncture the paper. That's the actual speaker sound. It'll have vibration in it, a crackling noise. To install, we're going to reverse procedure. You're going to click this in. Guide it back down in. Then reinstall your 4 mounting screws. And just snug them down. So now that I'm ready to put my panel on, my door panel, because I've got all the clips in, I'm going to attach the main switch again. This is the window switch. Click that in. And now I can fish the marker light bulb. Put that in spot right down there. Make sure that you get your speaker wire out of the way. That should stay right where it is. That's going to be your door lock switch. So I start by putting the upper clip on the windowsill, pushing that down in place, and then you can feel with your fingers. If you want to come over and see the body clip goes in that hole, and you're just going to slam it right into place all the way around. Now I'm going to mount the bottom screw here that goes in that marker lens hole. It's a Phillips. Snug that down and reinstall the lens. Line the pins up and just push it in. At this point, if this car came with a mounting bolt here on the handle, I would install that, but it didn't come with one. No big deal. So now I'm going to install the bezel for the inner handle trim. Attach my electric lock and align that. Slot up with that one. And open the handle. Bring it out. Guide it in. Push right in. There we go. There. Now we're going to take the Phillips screw and place this in the inner part of the handle. Mount that handle bezel in place. Snap that little cover on. Now I can install my little mini speaker up here. That goes into the lock. Let's see how this one design goes, like that. You'll have, get 2 clips and a guide. I'm gonna go right in place. Snap it in. Now we're all set.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at oneauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.